Have you recently installed an SSL certificate on your WordPress website, only to discover security warnings or a mixed content error? Maybe your browser is showing that your website is not secure or not fully secure, even though HTTPS is enabled. It can be frustrating because your website appears to be secure, but browsers are still detecting insecure content somewhere on the page. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to find and fix mixed content errors in WordPress step by step. Hey guys, it's James from Gigapress.net. So, what exactly is a mixed content error? A mixed content error happens when your website loads through a secure HTTPS connection, but some files on the page are still being loaded through an insecure HTTP connection. In most cases, this happens after installing an SSL certificate, migrating a website, or switching your website from HTTP to HTTPS. Fortunately, there are several ways to fix it. Before we continue, if you're looking to build a WordPress website without spending days setting everything up manually or having to resolve errors like this yourself, check out Gigapress AI. Gigapress AI is our AI website builder for WordPress and WooCommerce. It generates a complete professional website in minutes and includes fixing bugs just like this one in our plans. Simply describe your business, upload some photos, and Gigapress AI can generate a complete professional WordPress website with pages, content, navigation, and design automatically. Best of all, if you have an existing website, you can just enter your URL and it'll do a full redesign for you using your existing content. And unlike many website builders, Gigapress AI creates a real WordPress website, giving you full ownership, complete access to the WordPress dashboard, and total control over your site. Visit Gigapress.net and try Gigapress AI now. The first thing you should check is your WordPress URL settings. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to Settings and click General. Here you'll see two important fields, WordPress address URL and site address URL. Make sure both URLs begin with https:// and not http://. If one URL uses HTTPS while the other uses HTTP, it can cause mixed content warnings throughout your website. Once you've confirmed both URLs are correct, click Save Changes. Now refresh your website and check whether the security warning is gone. If the issue still exists, move on to the next method. One of the easiest ways to fix mixed content issues is by using a plugin called SSL Insecure Content Fixer. Go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Search for SSL Insecure Content Fixer. Click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, navigate to Settings and select SSL Insecure Content. The plugin offers several levels of protection. Start with the simple option and save your changes. Then visit your website and check whether the mixed content warning disappears. If the warning remains, move up to Content or Widgets. The higher levels, such as Capture and Capture All, can affect performance, so only use them if necessary. Once you've applied the changes, clear your WordPress cache and refresh your website to see if the warning has disappeared. For most websites, one of these settings is enough to fix the problem. If the warning still appears, the next step is identifying exactly which files are causing the issue. Open your website in Google Chrome. Right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. Now select the Console tab. Look for messages that contain the words mixed content. These messages will show the exact file causing the problem. For example, you might see an image, style sheet, JavaScript file, or font loading through HTTP instead of HTTPS. Once you've identified the file, you'll know exactly what needs to be fixed. You can also use an online mixed content scanner to scan your entire website and locate insecure resources automatically. One of the most common causes of mixed content errors is old HTTP URLs still stored inside your WordPress database. This often happens after moving a website from HTTP to HTTPS. To fix this, install a plugin called Better Search Replace. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Search for Better Search Replace. Click Install Now and then Activate. Open the plugin and enter your old website URL using HTTP. Then enter the HTTPS version of your website. Run the search and replace process. This updates old URLs throughout your WordPress database, and replaces them with secure HTTPS versions. After the process is complete, refresh your website and check if the warning has disappeared. Fixing the technical issues in your WordPress site is really important, especially if your site plays a role in generating leads or closing clients. But if you want to seriously improve your back-end sales process, you'll want to check out today's sponsor, Sign and Pay. Sign and Pay combines contract signing and payment collection into one streamlined step. Instead of sending an agreement and then separately requesting payment, you can send a single document that allows your client to sign and pay instantly using their credit card. It integrates with your CRM and payment processor and gives your sales team the ability to negotiate and close deals in one call without needing approvals. If you want to shorten your sales cycle and get paid faster, check out Sign and Pay using the link in the description. Now let's continue fixing the mixed content error. Sometimes, themes, plugins, or widgets contain hard-coded HTTP links. These links won't automatically update when you install an SSL certificate. If you previously added custom code to your website, check those files carefully. Look for links that begin with http:// and replace them with https://. You may find these links inside theme files, custom widgets, header scripts, footer scripts, page builder content, or custom code snippets. After updating the links, save your changes and test your website again. If you've tried all the previous methods and you're still seeing mixed content warnings, the issue may be related to your server configuration or SSL installation. Contact your hosting provider and ask them to verify your SSL certificate is installed correctly, HTTPS redirects are working properly, and there are no server-level issues affecting secure content delivery. Most hosting providers can quickly identify SSL-related problems and help you resolve them. And that's it! That's how you fix the mixed content error in WordPress. By checking your WordPress URLs, using SSL Insecure Content Fixer, identifying insecure resources, replacing old HTTP links, and fixing hard-coded URLs, you can eliminate mixed content warnings and make your website fully secure. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.